In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to compile code on Metatrader 5. It is super easy to do. So compiling code in Metatrader 5 isn't just a technical step, it's simply a quality control move that controls your money, time and stress. And the reason why compiling your code is a smart move or habit is to catch errors before they even hit your account, to ensure the code actually matches what runs, to improve your performance and stability, and to reveal warnings that could hint at a future problem. So to do it, you'll simply need to open up Metatrader 5 like you usually would. Then from here you'll need to go down to your keyboard and press F4. Once you do that, you'll see look something like this. And from here you can either open up your existing MT5 file, or you can create a new one by going up to File and then Create New. And just follow the steps here, click Next, and just Next and until you create this new file. From here you can start adding in your code, and once you are time to compile it, you'll simply need to go up to where it says Compile up here. You can also press F7 on your keyboard for it to be quicker. Once you click on that, you'll see it automatically will start, and it will end once it says compile once again. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comments below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!